Following the second and third largest bank failures in American history, the government is taking steps to reassure Americans that those are what they call isolated problems.
But those dealing with the fallout are worried. KCAL News political reporter Tom Waite with more tonight on what those failures mean for your money.
For some, this story may stir up a lot of scary memories, especially of the financial crisis in 2008. But experts say the country is on far better financial footing than it was before. And President Biden says your money is protected by a wide array of safeguards.
Americans can have confidence that the banking system is safe.
President Biden trying to calm fears after the collapse of two regional banks, Silicon Valley Bank Friday and the closure of Signature Bank in New York over the weekend.
When we learned of the problems of the banks and the impact they could have on jobs of small businesses and banking system overall, I instructed my team to act quickly to protect these interests.
Sunday night, the Treasury Department, Federal Reserve, and Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation announced they will ensure depositors have full access to their money. The CEO of the startup Rapbook, which does payroll for Hollywood productions and has offices in LA and New York, says his company is an SVB client, and while his company's funds are intact, the potential consequences of SVB's crash could have been devastating.
We expect our money to be safe in banks. Workers expect to be paid. Rapbook processes payroll for 100,000 people. And when a bank fails, that means a worker isn't getting paid to pay their mortgage, their childcare, their groceries.
Stocks of other regional banks also took a hit, including First Republic, which has branches across Southern California. Trading on First Republic stock was halted after it tanked. We spoke with customers in Studio City who were concerned about their savings.
I was very upset for 2 nights. I couldn't sleep.
For some in the Southland, images of people lining up outside banks to withdraw their money is frightening, but experts say this is different.
This is a significant issue that should not have systemic impact. This is not 2008.
And remember, as long as your bank is insured by the FDIC, that will cover up to $250,000 in your bank account. Now, if you have more than that, experts say it might be a good idea to move money into other bank accounts. Reporting from the newsroom, I'm Tom Waite, KCAL News.